Hi, I'm Joanna and we're gonna get right to work today. Grab some shoes, find an open space, and let's get sweaty. We have 11 moves today. I know that's a random number. That's just the exercises I really wanted to choose. 11 movements. Each movement is 30 seconds long and we repeat that only twice, so we're moving fast today. My goal here is to keep your mind engaged, get your heart rate up, really give you a bang for your buck for only 11 minutes of workout. Ready? Let's go. All right, you guys, take a nice wide stance, hips a little wider than hip distance apart. Our first move is kind of a warm-up move as well. So take your elbows to your thighs, drop your hips and open your chest. And we're just gonna go back and forth from a forward fold position to a deep squat position. This with the elbows on the thighs is a little bit of a modified version. If you want to and you're a little more advanced, a little more flexible, take your fingers under your toes and press like this. This is called a gorilla squat. This is great at the beginning of our workout to warm up your joints, and it's gonna be a wonderful respite halfway through when you need that. So if you see me looking at it down here at the bottom of the screen, it's because I'm watching my timer. Stay at the bottom of your squat. We're walking out to a high plank position and then back in, pelvis heavy, chest open. Out, back in. We're starting to incorporate the upper body and a little bit of the core. Of course, you can move as fast or as slow as you want here. Preparing the heart and the lungs for the work that's about to happen. A few more seconds. Okay, we're gonna stay out on this next one. We have a good old-fashioned bottom half burpee, wide feet hop in, up to plank. This is when things start to get real. Can you guys even see me in this video with my crazy pants on? It almost like camouflages me against my crazy wall. It's just feeling like a crazy day, you know, with cardio. Keep going. All right, 2 more seconds, we'll stand it up. Little jumping jacks, okay? Light and easy. Swing those arms. Take some nice, happy breaths. Good. Not a lot to say about jumping jacks, I'm afraid. We have a fancy little move coming up next though. Keep an eye on a timer for you. So you're gonna hop to your right with your right leg up. Here we go. 2 hops to the right. Hop, hop, step, skater. Pick up your back leg, hop, hop, skate. So the goal here is to hop towards that leg, big reach. Travel a lot. This is great for your core, as well as a little bit of single leg stability. One more. We're just jumping straight up, down to the floor with a flat back. I call these candlesticks. Straight up and down. Try not to round your back. Push through your feet. Remember, this is only 11 minutes long. You can do it. Push yourself, 3 more seconds. All right, little in, out squat, in, down, hand to the floor. We're switching every time. You can take your back hand on your hip or your low back if you want to. A little more support. Again, flat back. Twist. Really good. All right. Mommy kicks is next. If you ever did Insanity, do you remember these? So, little taps to the front. Crisscross your arms. This is great. It's the whole body. Brace your core. Squeeze your pecs. Pretty low impact. You're great. 5 seconds. All right, next up, get a little kick. Use your right leg. Kick, step. Same leg with a twist. Okay, so I'm going over the leg. It's almost like a ball change. Kick, ball change. The faster you go, the more cardio you'll get. Twist. Drive through the heel. It's worth it. It's pace. 5 seconds, we got it. Good, ready? Switch legs. Other leg. Kick, brakes. Start to pick up some speed. Like you're really landing the kick. Don't just flick your leg. Dig it. We only have one more move and then we're already repeating it. So you're already halfway there, almost. Give yourself a little pat on the back. Booty kickers. Light and easy. Place your hands on your butt. See if you can kick your hands every time. Okay, remember the first thing? That gorilla squat? That's where we're headed. You're halfway done. Great job. You can do this. Keep kicking. If you need to modify, just pull those feet back. Ready? Gorilla squats. Here we go, round 2. Grab those feet. Tip. If you don't want to be inverted here, just take a body weight squat. But I'm pushing through the legs, into the floor. Open the chest. You know, I hate cardio just as much as you do, and no one wants to do this for an hour. So I find these short workouts to be very palatable, very doable. Okay, stay down. Walk it out. Oh, walk it out. Walk it out. Oh, my legs are burning a little bit already. Love that. So something like this, you could do it every day. Maybe that's a goal you have, just to get a little more cardiovascular health. Maybe burn a few more calories in this season. You know, it's not all about that, but okay, we're gonna stay out. Bottom half burpee. Come on. Woo! Let's go. Don't stop. Don't poop out.
I will get my drink on tonight. I'ma get loose, get wild.
Keep your booty low.
In the mood right now, and it don't kill my vibe. I will get my drink on tonight. I'ma get loose, get wild. If you're not in the mood right now, and it don't kill my vibe.
We can do it.
Party until I drop. When I begin, I don't know how to stop.
Stand up.
I can party
Jumping jacks.
Woo!
Now roll my pants.
I see you looking at me, but you don't stand a chance to see.
I don't think I can talk to you right now. You gotta breathe. Keep it light. Flap those arms. It's great. I know you are. 5 seconds. Whew. Hop, hop, skater. Remember this? Here we go. Towards the bent leg. The first few always feel a little special. Stabilize that single leg, that ankle there. You're talking a lot less this time. Okay, ready? Candlesticks. Straight up and down. I don't wanna, but we're going to. Dig deep. Flat back, jump. Let it burn. Let it burn. Guys, we're almost done. Come on. Okay, in out squat. We got those kicks after this, butt kickers, and that's it. Okay? Try to push your pace. We got it. Keep it moving. 5 seconds. Get low. Drop your booty. Okay, leg. Right leg first, right? Right to it. Kick. Stare down the camera. Kick me in the foot. Bam. I'm starting to sweat. Oh! Dig, 5 seconds. Other leg. Oh, we are almost there. Let's go. Give me some speed. Give me some twist. Try to kick my foot with your foot. 10 seconds. Okay, you guys, let's finish strong in this last 30. Booty kickers, okay? I am not, I can't talk. We'll chat after. Keep it going. We're almost there. Tight core, kick your booty. 7 seconds. We're there. We're almost there. 3, 2, 1. Done. Whew. I hope you're as out of breath as I am. Oh my goodness. Okay, so we're done. If you need a stretch or a cool down or a little ab set, I'll link some options here or in the playlist afterwards. I got lots of things for you. Otherwise, great work. That was a lot. That was a lot for 11 minutes. So hope you feel great about yourself. Take this energy, this alive feeling with you through the rest of your day. So you can kick ass in your life. See you in the next workout.